Hey, what is up guys? It's Jason here. You already know what the deal is. We're back with another unboxing video. Funny thing is that we had a bit of a delay when it came to packages coming in. So there was like a whole 2 weeks when nothing came in and then Thanksgiving hit. By the way, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving break. If you did have a break, if not, then here's to me wishing you a happy late Thanksgiving, I guess. We're gonna get started. I got a bunch of packages from, well, actually not a bunch. I know they're still coming in. They're just kind of slowly trickling its way in. But we do have a bunch of stuff from Americana Pipedream, and I got a movie that we're gonna show off. So without further ado, we'll just jump right into it. We got our usual suspects here. Big bag and little bag. So I think what we're gonna do is save the big bag for last, and then the movie is gonna be last, and we're just gonna get right into opening this one. Make this very short. So this package just came in today. I ordered it, I think like 3 weeks ago. It just fell into my book bag. Now it's on the floor. I'm gonna put that to the side. So I think in here, oh, oops, I think I cut the top off by accident. Oh, but it's in a, oops. There's nothing else in here? Yeah, there's nothing in here. That's it. So this is a, oh no, it's already wrecked. No, it's not wrecked, but like, so the first thing we have in order today is a patch. Pretty cool, it's neat. I think it's a collaboration between Americana Pipedream and some other company I don't remember the name of. This is going to go on my field jacket, the Greek one, which was the first thing I got off of Americana Pipedream. Here's that. You won't see me put it on because that's kind of boring. The other thing is, okay, well, they just gave me another sticker. So the idea is that in most packages that I get a sticker. I already have one on my laptop, and this is my second one now. Well, technically third, because there was one on my laptop, and then two, including this one. What is this? Again, you know the deal. If you want to buy something, use code Americana Pipedream for 5% off. There's another code called PipeSheep35, which will get you, I think, 15% off. But yeah, and oh wow, this is a big sticker. But yeah, this is, oh no, did I cut the top off by accident? No. Yo, that sucks. What? Yeah, this is the other sticker that I got. So it's called Vibe Shack. I thought it was pretty cool, kind of tongue-in-cheek kind of thing. I have no idea how I'm gonna stick this onto my laptop because this is big. This is a really big sticker. But look, I don't think this was me who cut it off, because I'm pretty sure I just cut the top and that's it. What the heck? Oh, god damn it. Yo, that sucks. Oops. Yo, that sucks. What? Or the little thingamajig, whatever. That sucks. I cut off the top by accident. Well, now at least it's easier for me to stick it on. So it's like, I don't know, 99.99% of a sticker instead of the full 100, because I cut the top off by accident. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, it is what it is. So that's the first thing in order. So I got my patch and I got my 99.9999% of a sticker. I didn't even know, like, I cut the top. That's stupid. What? Why did he fill it all the way up to the top? I don't understand. Anyway, so this is the second package in the order. This is the one I got like a week ago, I think, during Thanksgiving break when I was still stuck doing homework. I was trying to complete this essay. It was taking forever. That's crazy. I cut off the top. That's so stupid. Why? Why would you do that to me? I don't feel like ordering another one too. What the hell? Bro, come on. Don't tell me. What? Yo, I cut this top too. What? Bro, today is not a good day for me. Bro, it's like stuck all the way to the top. Come on, man. Yeah, but I got a BDU, and as you can see, me being stupid, I cut the top off by accident. I'm gonna have to order another one. Come on, I just keep cutting the top and it's so annoying. Yeah, here's another one of these. Bro, that's so stupid. Look, I cut the top. Man, that's stupid. And we got another sticker. How bad is the cut? It's like packed and all. I don't, wait, where's the cut? Oh, it's on the side, see? Oh, that sucks. What? Yo. But yeah, here it is. This is a Tropintarn BDU. It was used by the Bundeswehr, however you pronounce that. Yeah, it was used by the Bundeswehr when they deployed into Afghanistan. Because funny thing, before that, the German army didn't really do much of anything. So by the 90s, they had problems within the military where just readiness was very low. So like a lot of their guns weren't working, a lot of their aircraft were out of commission, and just a lot of problems until they went to Afghanistan and realized that they needed sort of like a top-down revamp of their military. But yeah, here it is, the Tropintarn. It has a German flag on it too. The only thing that sucks is that I cut the top, which is annoying. Look, see, there's like a cut right here. You know, I packed it all the way to the top. Kind of pisses me off. Oh, it is what it is. It's not even that big of a rip, so it's not that big of a problem. And I could just order another one if I wanted to. But yeah, I think next time I gotta, I don't know, I think I'm gonna cut like a little bit above that, but that's a travesty. But did anything fall on the floor? Yeah, that's it. What should I do? I mean, we could try it on, so I guess we can do that. This one's different from the Greek one that I have because this one's more of like a button on, see? Yeah, just the crummy thing I don't like is that, whoa, look, see, the cut, never mind, there's another cut here too, see? That's stupid. But other than that, I think it should be fine. I think I ordered this in large. Oh, see, yeah, the cut kind of runs deep a little bit. That's stupid. I think the next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like pat it down to see like, you know, if it's at the top or not. Oh, this is an even better fit than my my Greek one. You know what I mean? Because my Greek one has the sleeves which is out like that and stuff like, but this one's more of like a perfect fit, which is great. The only thing I don't like is that I freaking cut into the thing. I'm gonna leave it on there like that. Like, I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's just annoying though. Yeah, you see, like, this is where I accidentally cut because the package was sort of funny how this is supposed to be rips. I don't know if this is ripstop or something, but yeah, you see what I cut by accident. It is what it is. But yeah, final thing. We're gonna get right into the movie. You guys should know that I am a big sort of anime guy, or at least I'm starting to get into anime, but during Thanksgiving break, I got the complete edition of Neon Genesis Evangelion. Let me just put it right here so it doesn't block my face. But yeah, this has everything. It has all 26 episodes, including Evangelion Death, True to the Second Power. Wow, what a weird title. And the end of Evangelion, which is a sequel to the original series. The place that I bought it from was FYE. It's a store where they sell like old movies and they sell a lot of retro stuff. It's kind of like Urban Outfitters except a lot more retro stuff. I'm still kind of mad that I cut into the thing. That's so annoying. That's it for packages. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I hope you guys have a good one, because right now I'm not. I'm just cutting into everything. It's so annoying. Oh my god.